welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am so happy that you decided to check us out. My name is Skye. My husband and I own an online interior decor shop called House Holm, and we share all things home over on this channel, from decor hauls to DIYs, decorating tips, and so much more. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can get more weekly videos and you don't miss a thing. All right, guys, today I'm going to be sharing a little half bath refresh. If you've been here a while, you probably saw my husband and I basically come into this bathroom and take everything out a couple of months ago, and we added shiplap to these walls, and I love it. I think it added so much character, but it's time to add some more decor to this space. When we originally did this project, we decided that we were just going to focus on the shiplap. We added a few little new things here and there, but what has been kind of bugging me is when you open this door, if you're standing kind of like head on, all you see is white shiplap. You don't see any decor. You have to kind of walk into the bathroom to see that. So I wanted to kind of do a little refresh. This is going to be on a budget. So one thing that I'm going to be doing today is just shopping our home. I love to store decor that I'm not using. Maybe it's just out of season, or maybe I just don't have a place for it right now. Rather than getting rid of it, I have a few spaces in my home where I store these. I have a Rubbermaid that I keep out in the garage, and then I've got like our hutch that's in the dining room. The whole bottom half of that is just decor that I'm not using at the moment. So I like to go through there and just see, is there anything that I could use that I already have, and maybe repurpose it, use it in a place that I have never used it before to make it feel new and exciting. So that's what I'm doing today for this space. I'm going to give you guys a little empty bathroom tour. I don't know if that is even a thing, and technically it's not really empty, so maybe that was not a good description. I'm going to show you guys the before. Of course, there's still going to be the toilet and the vanity. I'm going to keep my mirror. You guys know I love my pharmacy mirror in there. I'm also keeping the light fixture. I do have a light fixture right now that is on my dream list from Amazon. It's only like $80 or $90, so it's still super affordable, but I'm going to try to do this DIY and this bathroom refresh. I'm doing a little DIY. Sorry, I forgot to add that in. For like $15. So that is the plan. So I'm saving up for my light fixture. That will come, and that's okay. I'm gonna share a picture with you guys here right now just because I want you to see it. It is so beautiful. It matches so nicely with our kitchen light. They're both kind of that like white milk glass style, and they're so beautiful. And our half bath is right off of the kitchen, so I think it'll just be really cohesive and so pretty. So eventually, this is what I'm getting. Until then, we're just gonna deal with what we have now. I got, I think, 2 new things. That is it for this bathroom refresh. The rest is stuff that I'm picking out from our home that we already have. And then I'm doing a really, really, really easy and cheap DIY. So I'm creating a blanket ladder that is actually gonna go over our toilet. So you'll see it in a second, but it is literally the easiest DIY you could ever do, and I think it's so cute. It adds a lot of character to that space, and that wall behind the toilet was just pretty plain. I had a little shelf there before, but I felt pretty restricted because it was so small as to what I could put up there. So now I'm gonna have this blanket ladder, and I'll be able to layer it with different like tea towels and things like that. I could hang a little basket or a caddy off of there with some washcloths. Anyway, so many ideas, and I'll share that with you guys in just a few seconds. But this is going to be so fun. I'm so excited about this. I'm excited to bring some color into this room and just more texture and character, and being able to do that for like $15 is amazing. So if you guys don't shop your home, I just like cannot recommend it enough. Of course, I own an online interior decor shop. I love new decor, adding new pieces to my home, but I also know that that is not feasible for everyone to do all the time. So these are just some tips for decorating on a budget. So let's check out this bathroom, see what it looks like before, and then we'll go from there. When you open the bathroom door, you pretty much just see this white wall, which is totally fine, but I definitely want to add a little bit of character, a little bit of decor in here, just because I feel like it's pretty plain. So I did take off the shelf. I took down the shelf here that was on this wall, so I do need to take the screw out still. But what my thoughts are is that I'm gonna add a little blanket ladder right here. And then I've got this super cute sign from Target, which I'm gonna keep because my boys can read it. They now know what it means and what it says, and we need that daily reminder in our house for them. They are 3 and 5, almost 4 and 6. And then over here, we're gonna go ahead and just keep probably all of this. This is our pharmacy mirror that you guys know that I love. And then up here is our little light fixture, which I definitely want to replace at some point. And we've got the little sign here from Target, which I'll probably keep up. And of course our IKEA vanity, which we love this vanity so much. I will try to link it for you guys. And then over here, I just hung a little hat. I thought that was super cute and added just a little bit of color. So I'll probably keep that up there as well, but that is it. So my plan is to go ahead and add some black rustic looking hooks to this wall. And then I will just come in with either some towels or a little tiny canvas banner or a little wreath. And I'll be able to swap out that decor with every season. So you know my mind is already thinking Christmas, and I am already so excited to add some little Christmas wreaths in here. But I think that will be nice to be able to just have some decor right when you walk in. And then of course the blanket ladder there. And then I've purchased 2 really cute things to put on the pharmacy mirror shelf. And then I may end up just adding some little like flowers or greenery that I already have. But I think it's gonna be just like, again, a really simple bathroom refresh that will hopefully make a difference. And I'm really excited to see these hooks here. Oh, and I'm also gonna add a little caddy to the top of the toilet seat there, not the toilet seat, y'all, to the top of the back of the toilet. We just got these in our shop, these new super cute caddies. So I think I'm gonna put that there with like some room spray and with my like washcloths and stuff. So anyway, let me share this DIY with you guys and then we will just finish this up. So here is the blanket ladder that my husband and I put together like so fast. It was so easy, you guys. Okay, so we actually had this wood just sitting out in the garage, so that just worked perfectly. I didn't have to spend any money on that. He literally just threw a couple of finishing nails in these boards to attach them together. So that was so easy. And then you guys know that we love to use that antiquing wax. I will link it below for you guys, but it is so simple and so easy. In previous projects, I have actually come through with a white paint as a base coat and then done the antiquing wax over that. But with this, I just wanted to make this so quick and easy. And I didn't do a base coat. I just did 1 coat of the antique wax. And I think it turned out so pretty and definitely just adds like a really nice pop of color in here. So this will go above the toilet and I'll show that to you guys here. I still have to remove my little screw from the wall and touch up the holes up top, but this is what it looks like. So you can make it depending on however you want it to be spaced out above your toilet if you're making one of these. I wanted to hide my outlet. So I wanted to be able to use the top shelf to hang some towels, like a hand towel or something, to be able to cover the outlet so you won't see that. And then I also wanted enough room to be able to put something on top of the toilet. This is the little caddy that I was telling you guys about earlier. It is in our shop, House Holm, and it's so cute. I love it. I love the rustic detail, and I am so excited to fill that up with some goodies, some room spray and some washcloths or something, just to have that there, and just again to add a little bit of character. It goes so nicely with this little sign on the wall. So I'm super excited about that. All right, friends, let's check out this little bathroom refresh. So the first thing that you notice here is that there's not just this plain white wall that is just blinding you when you open the door. I decided to add these really cute rustic hooks from Amazon. I love them so much. We have them all throughout our home. They're super functional, and they're also just perfect for hanging your decor. So I decided to take this little black frame out of our laundry room. I'm gonna leave it in here. Right now it has this really outdated photo in it, but I actually have a friend who is doing a portrait of my kiddos right now. She's an artist, and she draws the most beautiful portraits, and I cannot wait to get it. I will definitely share it with you guys when it is finished, but I'm gonna put that in this frame, so I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Until then, this is what we've got here. I love, love, love this little towel. I have honestly had this in my linen closet forever. I haven't been using it, and I decided to bring it in here just to add some little texture, some color. I love the fringe detail, and that little gray stripe is so cute. And then I added my little eucalyptus bunch. This is a DIY that I did a while back. It has been a long time. I love this. I just love to hang greenery throughout my home, just to add little pops of color throughout. So this is just some jute string with some glue on the inside. I just tied it, wrapped it around real tight, and then added a little bit of glue with a hot glue gun, and we are good to go. It is so cute. I've had it literally for years, and I love it. So moving over here, you will see the finished blanket ladder. I think it looks so cute. I am so pleased with how this little DIY turned out. And like I said earlier, I didn't have to spend a penny on this. But even if you don't have the wood, you can build this for so cheap, so little money. So definitely check it out if you're looking to just add some character to your bathroom or any area of your home. The only thing with this one is that we literally just put some finishing nails in it, so we didn't make it super sturdy, just because we knew that it didn't need to be. But if you're adding heavy blankets or heavier decor, you definitely would want to secure it with some screws. But I love it so much. So I've got this wire basket here, which is actually from House Holm. We have not carried these for a long time, but you can buy these anywhere. So these, it's just like a black wire basket. You can get it from Amazon, Target, Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, like anywhere, home. And if it doesn't come with little handles like this one, you can just very easily use some jute string or some ribbon to create your own. Or you can actually just go straight in and like add a nail right in here, and then just kind of set your basket on the wall. So there's several different options if you can't find something exactly like this, and if this is something that you want for your space. But I just threw a little plant in there. I think that is so cute. I got that a few years ago at, I think, TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And then I threw some little white washcloths. They're actually the bar mop cloths from Target. So they were, I think, $4 for a pack of 4, which is super inexpensive. So I just rolled those up there. And then you guys know that I wanted to cover up the outlet behind our toilet here. So I just threw a really neutral towel. This is just a little bath towel from Target. I thought that would be perfect for covering that up and just adding a little bit of separation between the wire basket and the wall. And then down here, we've got our really cute little caddy. This is from House Holm. This is a new arrival, so hopefully when this video goes live, we still have some of these in the shop. But I just threw, again, a couple of those bar mop cloths in there. And then I also threw in my lemon room spray from the Hearth and Hand line at Target. I love this. It smells so good. We use it almost every day. So if you're looking for a good room spray, that one is definitely a good one. So now moving over this way, you'll see another one of those just super neutral white hand towels. It's got some little polka dots and it's just from Target, super inexpensive. And then over here, of course, I decided to keep my pharmacy mirror. I got only a couple of things for this refresh. So like I said earlier, I spent like $10, maybe 15. So the only things I got were those bar mop cloths, and then I got these little glass canisters that I just fill with cotton balls and little Q-tips. I think they're perfect. They're so cute on this little pharmacy shelf, and I am just so impressed by how inexpensive these little canisters were. I think the small one was $2.99 and the larger one was like $3 or $4.99. Super affordable. And of course, I'll share those links with you guys. I love to have these amber glass spray bottles throughout our home and like our kitchens and our bathrooms, just to have our thieves cleaner in there to be able to easily wipe down countertops and surfaces and things like that. And then down here, I've got our little hand soap dispenser. This has been so well loved by our customers, and unfortunately our vendor was not able to keep these in stock throughout all of the COVID going on. She wasn't able to get her supplies, so these are not in stock right now, but I do have good news. We found some that are very similar that will be in our shop at the end of next week, so definitely stay tuned for those. And then of course I decided to just keep my little hat here because I think it's just so precious on this wall. All right friends, that is all for this video. I hope that this one inspired you to kind of shop your home and to make spaces feel new and inviting and refreshed on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see more weekly videos from our channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one, and I hope that you all have an amazing day.